dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin. Come with Timmy, say hooray! Let's have fun and learn to play. On the board where dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin.
Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our chess kingdom. Today is a very special day, a wonderful day. Do you know why? Because today is Rook Day. Hi, Timmy. Hi, everyone. I'm the Rook, and I love to move in straight lines. Let me tell you what I can do and how I move. I can go as far as I want, but only in straight lines. I can move forward, backward, forward again, to the left, and to the right, and on as many squares as I want, as long as it's in a straight line. So what do you think, guys? Pretty cool, right? Now let's see how the black rook does it. Hi, guys! I move exactly the same way as the white rook. In straight lines for as many squares as I want. Like this. Watch me. But there's one important rule. We cannot jump over other pieces if someone is standing in our way. I can capture it. That means I take its place, but only if it's right on my line. Look, like this. Well, kids, today you've learned everything about rooks. Now you know how quick and strong we are. Thank you, everyone, for listening so carefully and working so well today. And thank you, Rook, for telling us all about yourself. And now, are you ready for some fun? I'm announcing the Royal Rook Rally!
On our board so bright and clear, we gather here with joy and cheer. Pawns blow trumpets loud and sweet, a happy day is ours to meet. Kings and queens and rooks so bold, stories of chess are bright and told. Come along and learn to play in our fun chess land today.